So we have here a coconut rum drink with milk. I was also told that you can order this with orange juice depending on what you're in the mood for, what your palate requires or desires, and it's really good, really strong. I was told here in the Bahamas that Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's pretty empty. Electricity is off. Ramen noodle is $2.75. She said we could go this way, but I don't know. We're looking for the conch stand. Oh, look at the little puppy. This is the behind the scenes, what it looks like. Maybe through that door. We're looking for the conch stand. Ah, yeah, there it is. I found it. Conch salad. It's right there. There's the place for the conch salad. We found it. Oh, it's cute. It's like on the water. Lots of colors. This is a nice little area. Cold beers and seafood. Hello. How do we get over there? Let's check it out. Hello.
Hi. Welcome in.
That's cute in here. Hi. Good. So, since it's so hot out, we're gonna have our first drink. Celebrate being here. We ordered 2 typical drinks, which is a Bahama Mama / fruit rum punch, which is a typical drink here. The Bahama Mama comes with pineapple, but I can't drink because I'm allergic, so we got the fruit punch instead. So it's just minus basically the pineapple, same thing. And what else we get? We got a coconut rum with milk. He said you can do it 2 ways, with milk or with orange. So we're gonna try the one with milk because I like milk. He won't drink it. But I'm gonna let you know how it is. So this one is a typical drink from Bahamas. It has milk and rum and coconut. This is the fruit punch / Bahama Mama fruit rum. Make sure to follow our social media accounts where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. So we have here a coconut rum drink with milk. I was also told that you can order this with orange juice depending on what you're in the mood for, what your palate requires or desires, and it's really good, really strong. I was told here in the Bahamas that they make drinks like, I mean, I saw the alcohol's up here with like a little touch of whatever else you're getting, so it's a good place if you want to get your drink on. Really good. $6 for this drink in a local bar with this view. We're having a good time. Really good, really strong. You wouldn't think rum and milk are like go together when he told me, but he was like, this is a local drink This is what the people drink here, and it's a delicacy here in the Bahamas, so I had to try it, and it's actually surprisingly refreshing. I like milk, so I enjoy it. So, what I want to tell you guys is, we ordered these 2 drinks, both very popular local drinks from here on the island, the Bahamas, Bimini. And my comparison is, this one is a little fruity. They're both strong. This one's a little more creamy. I like cream, I like milk, so I'm totally into this. But this also is like refreshing. It's like a fruit punch. Anyways, they both taste strong, but in different ways. I feel like this feels stronger, tastes stronger, because I think the milk and the rum combination, the milk brings the rum out. This one just tastes like, woo. So, anyways, a few sips and I'm gonna feel it, because I don't really drink so much. But anyways, recommend these 2 drinks if you come here. This is the fruit punch, rum punch, here on the island. And this one is the coconut milk rum drink. Yeah, coconut rum with milk, I guess you should say. You can also get with orange juice, so choose your poison. Either way, you're gonna be happy. So this is the menu. It's called Ebby's Bonefish Club. Grilled lobster, grilled conch, grilled fish. They have cracked lobster, cracked conch, fried snapper, fried chicken. They all come with potato fries or house salad, fresh conch salad. This is the best on the island, so they claim. Conch fritters. And it's cash only if you come here, so. Some more? Deep in thought? Enjoying the ambiance. We're waiting for our conch fritters. We're gonna get 7 of them, she said. Comes in there for $6. I think it's a good deal. Local conch from here on the island. Obviously, when you come to the Bahamas and you come to Bimini, you have to try local seafood. So, you know, conch fritters, conch, fish, all that good stuff. What do you think? See, I told you, I don't know how to explain conch, but it's like fried, breaded. Oh, they're very hot. And there's like some, it's like a shell, and inside the shell they take that out. I don't know if it's fish or what, but they put that inside, and that's what you eat. So we got 7 of these. I'm gonna have 4, he's gonna get 3. And dip it in this little sauce. I don't know what sauce it is, but that's typical, comes with it. So, we're excited. Oh wow. What kind of sharks are those?
Lemon.
Lemon sharks? This is normal for you, right?
Yeah.
Is that a barracuda?
No, that's a tarpon.
A tarpon.
Tarpon. They don't bite. Nobody's eat them.
You know your fish, huh? Are you from here?
Not from here, but from the Bahamas.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, they're underneath them. So cool.
What is that? 5?
5 feet, you think?
I don't use feet.
Oh, you use feet.
He's from Argentina.
Yeah. We use
I think they're bigger than 5 feet. No,
taller than us.
they're at least 10
Yeah.
feet.
No, not that long. See, our height is, I'm 5.
Ah, that's true, yeah.
you're 5'1"
He looks a lot
too.
taller than me.
Yeah. So they're
Wow,
about
that's
6
so
inch,
cool.
6 or,
Yeah.
7?
I don't know.
About
I'm really
7.
bad. I had a Bahama mama, so I'm a little drunk too. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. Hey, when you have a Bahama mama, 5 feet looks like 10 feet, right?
Right.
That's part of the experience. Yeah, they're beautiful. Wow. And it's true. We went to the shark lab yesterday, and they were telling us how they stay in pairs together.
Oh,
They're
okay.
very social,
Yeah,
you know.
social,
So maybe they're
probably looking for food.
they're friends. Yeah. To pick which one I want. Really good. So, we just had a delicious meal. Amazing conch. Fresh as it can get. I love the conch fritters, the drinks. I don't drink often, so if I have like 1 drink, I'm feeling a little good, I'm feeling tipsy. I enjoy it, I like it, not complaining. But this is an amazing place, beautiful atmosphere, cool, nice local people. Local people here in Bimini have been very nice, very friendly, very accommodating. It is a touristic place, and they thrive and live off of tourists. So that's a good thing, you know. They do know that they appreciate having us come here. And that's important. You want to go to countries and travel to countries where, you know, they know that tourists help them in their economy. So they're friendly and they're nice, and that definitely helps. And if you guys are from Bimini, definitely come here, try some conch. You maybe see some lemon sharks like we did. Really cool. I wasn't expecting that. And get some local drinks as well.